1 second, Sophia. Hey, are you going to work next? Going to work in Daddy's shoes with Daddy's work bag. Bye-bye. Have a good day at work. See you later. Drive safe. Hey, wait, do you have your license yet? Can you drive? And take the bus?
Like, Mommy, I have a driver. Mildred's out front.
He's like, Mommy, I have a driver.
I gotta
Get in the
going.
minivan.
Yeah, get in the minivan.
Bye. Have a good day at work. Bye-bye.
Good luck in your oral argument, Max.
Be a good lawyer today. On your way to work, maybe get a college degree and go to law school first.
Don't forget to bundle up. It's cold outside.
Bye-bye. Sophia. It's okay, sweetie. I know.
Drive safe, Max.
Can you open it? You going to work? What are you doing? Where are you going?